Hello, from Shraddha from Love Bites. Today I bring to you a Lebanese dish. I love it. I've had it in numerous restaurants. So this is mujadara. It's a very simple food. It can be made with rice or with talia or bulgur wheat. And it's got lentils and onions, salt, water. That's it. So the way they cook it in Lebanon is they caramelize the onions and they add the lentils and the rice and they cook it in the same pot. Some even use a blender and mush it a little. I don't like that mushy one so much. I prefer it like this. Have it with topped with labneh if you want, and some fried onions. So yeah, this is a little high on oil, but it is a divine dish. It's healthy because bulgur and the lentils help with the carb, the fiber and the protein, so you don't really miss the meat. So the day you want to go veggie, meat free, this is a good dish to try. It's a wholesome meal. If you don't have labneh, I hang my curd and I eat it with that, and you can have it without also. So do give this a try. Do like, do subscribe. All the recipes are given below, and do click on the bell icon for notifications. Thank you. For a mujadara, I had soaked some red lentils, washed and soaked it. And now I'm just going to give it a whistle or two in the cooker. We don't have to totally cook this. I need it solid but softer, otherwise it'll take forever to cook in our pans. And just a hint of salt. Just shut it. For the mujadara, we need to fry some onions. I have dried my onions. I've told you all the trick before. Just heat some oil, add in your dry onions. That's it. Get it off the pan and it's done. See how little the oil gets used? There is still some oil left in the pan, and here are the onions. Heat a wok, add some oil. In this you need to add oil nicely because you really need to cook the onions and caramelize it. Once the oil heats up, take some chopped onions, and now we just need to cook this. You need to caramelize these onions. Don't get them burnt. This should take you at least 10 to 15 minutes, I think. So you can cook this in olive oil, but in my experience with olive oil, it starts to burn. It's better to just use regular cooking oil. It's caramelizing. Don't let it get burnt. Your dish will taste bitter. Keep it on low and just let it caramelize. If you're struggling with caramelization, you can add a hint of sugar to help you. The onions are looking caramelized. Now take a bit of water. I've taken the water from the lentils and just add it to the onions and just let it cook for a little while so that your onions will soften. Here are the onions. See how beautiful a color they have. So I've used the lentil water because I didn't want to throw away all the goodness. Now the lentils, that goes in, and here is the rice. I kept it soaked for some time. That goes in too. So you can take regular water. I've again taken my dal water. Just add enough water to cook your rice through, and the dal also. The dal is not totally cooked, right? Add salt to taste. Mix it. Increase the heat to a high. Let it come to a boil and then reduce it and cook it. This has to be cooked through and through. Let's check. See, all the water is gone. So this dish is easy because even if you overcook it a little, it's not a problem. Some people also take a blender and blend this. That's it. This is done. Now you just garnish with your onions, the fried onions. You can also put a dollop of labneh if you want, otherwise hung curd if you want. And a nice plate of salad or just tomatoes, cucumbers, spring onions on the side. It makes a really beautiful, delicious meal. Do give it a try. Thank you so much.